Did you know a man once escaped from jail using a fake gun carved from a washboard? In 1934, John Dillinger pulled off the most embarrassing prison break in American history. He walked out of Crown Point Jail holding guards at gunpoint with a piece of wood painted black. But that was just the beginning of his legendary crime spree. During the Great Depression, Dillinger robbed banks like a professional operation. He studied floor plans, timed police responses, and stole patrol cars for getaways. Over $300,000 stolen, yet he never hurt a single civilian. To desperate Americans, he became a folk hero, robbing the banks that foreclosed their homes. FBI Director J. Edgar Hoover made catching Dillinger his personal mission. The manhunt was massive, but Dillinger always stayed one step ahead, until July 22nd, when a woman in red led him into a trap. Outside Chicago's Biograph Theater, FBI agents gunned him down. His death marked the end of the romantic outlaw era and the birth of modern federal law enforcement.